Dress shooting styling rack. It includes an inseparable upper body, main body, upper arm telescopic rod and elbow bend tube, lower arm telescopic rod, thigh telescopic rod and knee joint elbow pipe, lower leg telescopic rod, the collar telescopic rod. It can easily adjust the width. To adjust the width, the shoulder joint elbow pipe can straighten and lift the arm, bend and lower the arm, bend and lift the arm forward. These two strong bend tubes can adjust the slope of the shoulders and have strong support. The waist strong bend tube. Straightening it is suitable for a straight style. Bending can be suitable for a slim waist arc shape. The strong bend tube of the hip and waist. Outward bending is suitable for a line skirt. Bending inward is suitable for hip-hugging skirt. When shooting invisibly, you can use transparent fishing line to hang. When shooting wide version, when stretching the hanger, the collar spacing is too large. Remove the short nut. Adjust the neckline with the expansion rod. It is suitable for different neck widths. Without any arm rods, short sleeves can be photographed. This is the upper arm extension rod and elbow joint elbow pipe. Can be adjusted in length. The elbow bend can be bent. Install the forearm extension rod. Can adjust the length. Suitable for different sleeve lengths. Install the thigh expansion rod and knee joint elbow pipe. Can adjust the length. Knee joint bending. Install the calf expansion rod. To adjust the length, suitable for different skirt lengths. Through the bending of each joint, we can simulate human movements. Free creative styling. Styling rack. You can use a tie or rope and tie it to the traditional hanger. Shoot the shape with the hanger. Dress shooting styling rack. The installation method of foam hose. Put this open-ended 25 cm foam tube into the shoulder elbow. Fix it with a rubber band at the neckline. The 30 cm long open foam tube. Put it here. Connect this longer metal elbow. Connect it here. Put this foam tube of similar length over the metal elbow. Put the thigh expansion rod on top, a metal gasket, and install it under the hip elbow to prevent the foam tube above from slipping. Here, and then put on a 20 cm foam tube and install the calf rod with a gasket to the bottom. On the calf rod, put on a foam tube of suitable length. Fix the end with a gasket and screw to prevent the foam tube from slipping. On the upper arm extension rod, also put on a gasket and install it under the shoulder elbow. Then, and put on a foam tube about 20 centimeters long. The forearm rod is also equipped with a gasket. Install it again, and then put on a foam tube of appropriate length. At the end, are fixed with washers and screws. If the skirt is short, you can also replace them with these short foam tubes.